All right, box came in from Fort 9, my go-to place here in Canada to order my bike parts because I don't get screwed on shipping when I order from them. And they have reasonably good quality and a good selection of stuff. So let's see all of the nice stuff we got from them today. Packing paper, all right. Okay, so this is the new tube for my front tire. When I took my front tire off of the rim, I kind of massacred it up. So, new front tire tube. This is a new oil filter. I have to figure out where that even goes in the bike. I haven't even looked for it, but I figured I might as well get a new oil filter while I was ordering all of this stuff. Okay, these are my fork seals. The last ones I ordered were not the right size, so let's hope these fit into my forks. And this is my front side cog. Excellent. Spark plugs. There should be 2 of them in here. Yep, there's another spark plug. Might as well put new spark plugs in there. My new petcock, which will fit into the new tank. Excellent. Very nice. Brakes for the front, brakes for the back. Good. And my new backside cog, which is a little bit more teeth than my old one. And new chain. This chain, right, there's my new links. And it's red, very nice. That's the links. Figure that all out once I get the motor back in and the back tire back on. But all of that stuff that I can start putting some of my bike back together. So this is the tank primed up, and we will put the petcock on this side. So just checking how this fits the new cog on the back tire. I haven't taken the old one off yet, but it should fit right on there. This is a little bigger. I wanted one with a little more teeth on the back, so that we have a little bit more get up and go off of the line with this. Okay, so what I've decided to do on these parts, these held up the back pegs and the long part of the muffler. This side though, the right hand side has a spot here for the brake, and so I need to retain most of this, but I'm going to cut this off. Now I need at least out to here because this piece here is part of the strength. If I cut that off, then I'll lose some of the strength of this, so I can cut it down here to here, because this is this little knob I need, and sacrifice this much. So if we look at cutting off here all the way up to this point like this, which would be along this like that, and sacrificing that bit, and then this side, all I need on the left hand side is this bit here as a bushing. So I'm going to cut that down and round it off, just so that I have that piece as a bushing, and throw the rest of this out. I'll round that off a little bit here in a second. Let me cut this piece off. Okay. That bushing, I'll have to powder coat it, and it goes on this, just like that. Hey. There we go. So I'll wrap this with tin foil and then put the bushings on and the washers on so that they're suspended out here so I can get both sides and not get this, because this goes inside the swing arm.
That's right.
And it needs to
Use the right version.
Yeah. Okay, this is the swing arm shaft, and I'm just getting the washers, the bushing, and then I'm going to do the brake holder here for the rear brake. Okay. This is the side that I'm more interested in making look good because it'll be the outside. Get it ground up. Yep. There's what it looks like right after powdering. There's the bolts, the swing arm axle, and they're ready to go in the oven. This piece is the swing arm, just cleaning it up, and then I'm going to sandblast it and powder coat it. But I want to get all this crap off of it first. Even with it cleaned up a bit, there's still quite a bit of rust all over this. I'm going to stay away from those bolts with the powder coater and with the sandblasting. These hash marks are important. They're on the inside and the outside. That's where you set your chain tension. These guys here want to stay out of the inside, obviously. That's the bushing part, but I'll probably plug those up before I start blasting it. So these guys go on the swing arm, and I thought when I took them off that they were all rubber, but as I started cleaning them up, they're mostly metal with a little rubber seal on the inside here. So I can't powder coat them, but I can give them a quick spray paint and make them look a little bit newer and cleaner. Here's some primer to start with. A little bit of primer. tried a number of different colors on this sucker. First it was like a transparent blue, which I didn't really like, and then I did this blue, which is just a little brighter than what I want. I've got this other engine enamel, and it should be a little darker, so let's see how this works. This is the same color, I believe, as what my powder coat color is. It's a Ford dark blue. And that looks a lot more what I think we want our finished product to be like. And because it's an engine enamel, I think it will hold up being on the tires. Alright, so just touching up some parts. Here is the swing arm that is just drying from powder coating, as well as some other small pieces that I need to put back on.